to the Cooking General, man. Hope y'all had a pretty good week and pretty good Super Bowl with mine. I'm not a football person, so I really don't watch football, but man, let me tell y'all what happened. Okay, my older cousin called me over, said, man, can you come over to, I said, man, you don't watch football. I knew it was something he wanted. So I was like, okay, I said, I guess so. He said, man, you come hang with fellas, you ain't got to watch it. So I went over there. And man, when I got there, he said, man, go ahead, help yourself. I went in the kitchen, and he had a little table set out. I should have took a picture of it, but I didn't want to show him up. He had like olives there. He had some like pimento cheese sandwiches, and the bread was like regular bread, that cheap barking bread that tears up when you try to spread it. Man, he had nothing that looked good. I was like, man, it's horrible. He said, you didn't bring nothing? I said, you told me to come watch the bowl. I didn't know I would bring something. He said, you see, I'm not doing good. Man, so my word to y'all, please keep people, men, women, families, parents, grandparents, teach your kids just the basics of cooking. Because nobody's going to eat that. And then he said, I said, well, how long? He said, it'll be over here in about an hour. So, okay. All right, I said, hold on, just give me a second. I went down to the dollar store. I went down to Brooks Brothers. I picked up something real quick, and I came back. Now, this is something quick. This is not usually how you do it, but hey, he needs all the help he can get. Now, come in and show you these nachos I told him to fix. Come in and show you what I told him. All right, this is what I did. All right, this is a smaller version of what I did, though. So I got some chips. He had salt and pepper, luckily. He didn't have no chili powder, so I just separated that there, and I used some smoked paprika. I bought a little can of green chilies. I bought this kind of cheese, but I bought 4 cans, and I bought 3 cans of Wolf Brand chili. I also picked up here some pico de gallo, some sour cream, and I picked up some ground beef. And I just picked it up today from that bargain man. Look at that. Spank it right there. Now, I'm going to show you how to put this together. It's only a small batch of what I had to do. But it's pretty good, and it came out pretty good, and everybody liked it. As a matter of fact, mine was gone, and he still, y'all want some sandwiches and stuff, y'all, I give y'all his number. Y'all go to his house and eat that. Ask somebody. All right, back to the Cooking General. Now, check that out there. Now, I added my salt, pepper, and that smoked paprika. But, you know, I would have liked to use chili powder on this one, but I didn't have any. But you got to worry about it because the Wolf Brand chili I'm going to add to it later got chili powder in it. And like I said, man, this is just a basic thing here. Oh, but what I really want to let y'all know is the videos that got come up. At least the next 4 videos that got coming up. They're going to be something special. Especially the one that's coming out in March. You cannot miss that one. I got one coming out in March. And it's a rarely heard of thing. And you can scout on there. Ain't nothing gonna be able. It'll be something like it, but nothing fixed exactly like I do it. And you got to, man. Y'all got, man. Tell them that Cooking General, man. Hey, basic cook. Now, don't. Hey, I ain't that one gonna put all this, telling you this and that there. Ingredients. Just tell them, hey, check him out. He not gonna tell you much, but teach him basic. And they can say, well, I want to watch it. Tell them to ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, since we all here grown and stuff, you know, I got the ground meat drained and I got it drained off and all that stuff right there. Got it sitting to the side. Now, since we all grown here, you know what I'm saying, this is how I usually get my chill out the can. I don't recommend everybody doing this here. And this is a tip that you use at your own risk. This is just what I do, so you ain't got to. I put it on there, let it warm up like that there, let it smoke, then I get it off. And it's just a lot easier. Bam, come out the can. Hey, it's a tip. Hey, but don't you, hey, if y'all house catch on fire, you burn shit. Hey, you hear from me? Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking Channel. There we go, right there. Now, like I said, I got more videos coming out. This here is just something they do. I just done for my cousin, like I say, for Super Bowl. And I figured I'd go ahead and do this video today. Now, I'm doing this cheese sauce the same way I done that. So, like I said, hey, use it at your own risk. And that's to get it out, because I'm going to throw this in the microwave. And it just makes it easy to get out there. See there? You get it on out of there. There you go. And then, hey, get you a spoon, scrape it. Scrape the hell out of it. And get all that out. Don't leave nothing in there now. And if you can't, you know what I'm saying, just switch your finger in there and lick it out. I ain't wasting that. Okay, let's go and get these nachos put together. This is a pretty simple video here. Oh, yeah, I got my green chilies ready here. All right, let's get this over with. Cooking General. Ask somebody. There we go, right there. Look at that. Now, I know this wasn't nothing amazing. And it's even not my style anyway, but it was just kind of fun. I figured I'd do a video on it. Because he told me, don't tell them folks I can't cook. I was like, hey, you called me over here and didn't tell me to bring nothing. I had to throw something together real quick. I'm going to do a video on it. So y'all just really get ready for next week, because Cooking General is going to show y'all something new, brand new, exciting, never been done. Like usual, hey, Cooking General, that's what I do. And let's conclude this video. Ask somebody. Alrighty, yo, man. I hope y'all appreciate the video. I'm sorry, but I had to do this here, throw this in real quick. I know it ain't nothing major, nothing main, but hey, it's a quick fix, you know what I'm saying? Single men, single women. Hey, that goes into the thing, you know what I'm saying? And teach the kids basic how to cook. Man, now, Cooking General will see you next week. And I got something special. But before we go, y'all remember Muncho Man? But we're gonna do the Nacho Man. Hey, cuz, told I'm gonna get you. Let's do the Nacho Man. Cooking General. Ask somebody.